Okay, well, we've got what originally looked like this, a block of ZAMAC down in here. Get a close-up and take a look. Like a bowl full of jelly. Oh, that's all right. And we're about to pour this. I'm going to heat up the lip of the pouring thing in order to keep it hot during the pour. And you have to just stay on here for a second on the video. Just to scrape off a little bit of the... this is actually fresh material, so it doesn't have a lot of scuzz on the top of it. There's a picture of the corn. Make sure we're nice and warm out here on the lip. That's not gonna, it's not gonna drop in, it'll be okay. You can see that's a little magnesium in it. There goes the magnesium. Okay. Plenty hot enough to pour. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start with the tail and pour it towards the head. Nice and liquid. Obviously this is an over pour, or what we call an open face mold. This way we make it thin enough so that it's easier to machine off the back side, which is flat. It's wonderful to do these castings that are flat on one side, because eventually it's going to come out like this after we cut all the flashing off of it and mill the back off. Okay.